Yes guys, party at Bellevue Hotel Alabang, as there were dance instructors to teach you the steps with the music, and that's it. Enjoy the night away. It's a great way of socializing and meeting new people in the society. Yes guys, forget all the worries and enjoy the party. Yeah.